Hey traders, quick update on ICP, Internet Computer. Over the past 7 days, it's down around 6%, now trading near $2.40. And in the last 24 hours, trading volume is also dropping, meaning market activity is slowing down. So what's next? This could be a healthy pullback, giving the market time to reset before the next move. Or it might turn into a bull trap if buyers don't step in soon. For a true bullish momentum, we need to see stronger volume and solid support holding at these levels. Until then, stay patient to keep an eye on the charts and don't chase the market. Smart trading always beats emotional trading. Also, quick update. We've just released our latest ICP price prediction update, support and targets revealed. Big moves could be ahead for ICP. We've just dropped our latest analysis with key support levels and price targets you don't want to miss. If you'd like deeper insights, check out our Patreon page, link in description and comments. There's also a starter plan available for just $10 if you want to try it out. Got a specific chart you want analyzed? Feel free to DM me anytime. Happy to take requests. Catch all the details via the link below. Disclaimer, please do your own research. This content is for informational purposes only and is not financial advice.